Hello everyone, welcome to Contract Simplified, your space for decoding complex legal concepts with ease. I'm Advocate Kritika, and together we will turn tricky legal scenarios into interview winning answers in the series of Legal Interview Question and Answer. Now, let's dive straight into today's question of the day. Contract has been executed but remains unsigned by one party. The work has begun and invoices have been raised. Is the contract valid? So let me start with tip for answering. Start by stating the legal principle, explain the condition under which it applies, and end with the risk mitigation step to formalize the arrangement. Model answer. This falls under the doctrine of implied contract or acceptance by conduct. Courts may enforce the contract if there is a clear intent to be bound, one party has performed and the other has benefited. There is evidence of communication like emails, PO, invoice acceptance, etc. I would advise executing a retrospective amendment or ratification to avoid dispute and initiating a workflow for formal signatures if needed. That's just one way to tackle this scenario. There could be even better answers out there. Share your take in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's grow and learn together. See you in the next episode.